The proposed title is The Impact of Social Media on Interpersonal Communication and Relationships. The impact of the social media on interpersonal communication and relationships poses several challenges. One issue is the potential of decreased face-to-face interaction, as individuals may prefer online communication, leading to a possible reduction in the depth and quality of personal connections. Additionally, the prevalence of social comparison and the presentation of curated lives on social platforms can contribute to feelings of inadequacy and negatively affect self-esteem. Understanding these problems can pave the way for exploring solutions or strategies to mitigate these impacts. The purpose of studying the impact of social media on interpersonal communication and relationships is to gain insight into how these platforms influence the way individuals connect and relate to each other. By understanding the dynamics at play, researchers aim to identify both positive and negative aspects, contributing to a broader understanding of the role social media plays in shaping social interactions. This knowledge can inform individuals, policymakers, and technology developers about potential risks and benefits, guiding efforts to enhance the positive aspects and address challenges related to social media's impact on interpersonal relationships. These are the questions for the impact of social media on interpersonal communication and relationship. Number 1, how does the frequency of social media usage correlate with the quality and depth of face-to-face interpersonal communication? Second, what role does social media play in shaping individuals' perceptions of self and others in the context of interpersonal relationships? Third, are there differences in the impact of various social media platforms on the development and maintenance of interpersonal relationships? Fourth, how do social comparison processes on social media influence self-esteem and satisfaction in interpersonal relationships? 5. To what extent does the use of social media contribute to the formation of new relationships versus the maintenance of existing ones? 6. What strategies do individuals employ to manage privacy and boundary setting in the context of social media interpersonal relationships? 7. How does social media contribute to the spread of misinformation and its potential impact on trust within interpersonal relationships? 8. Are the cultural variations in the way social media influences interpersonal communication and relationship dynamics? 9. What role does the presentation of idealized self-images on social media platforms play in the development of unrealistic expectations within interpersonal relationships? And the last is, how do individuals perceive and navigate the balance between online and offline interactions in the context of their overall social well-being? This is the research gap in the impact of social media on interpersonal communication and relationships. The research gap in the impact of social media on interpersonal communication and relationships may involve exploring specific aspects insufficiently studied. For example, There might be limited research on the long-term effects, cultural variations, or the role of different social media platforms in the shaping relationships. Identifying and addressing such gaps can contribute to a more comprehensive understanding of how social media influences interpersonal dynamics.